Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Today is Taco Tuesday and we are going to be making some taco chili soup. Okay, so you know what's in my pan already. So what we're going to do is saute our onions first. And you know me, I have my white onion and my red onion. Let that go just for a few minutes. Now I don't want to cook them too much because I want them to have kind of a bite. So that's our red onion and yellow onion. Then we're going to add our peppers, and we have a green pepper and an orange pepper chopped up. We're going to add that to our mix. Oh, he got away anyway. Let's get everybody in there. Okay. So remember, when you're cooking, add whatever you want to your recipe. I like to make it colorful because it's more appetizing. Okay, so we'll let that cook for a few minutes and then we'll come back. Okay, so while that's going, we're adding in about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. It's going to make it taste good. And then we're also going to add in some chopped mushrooms. All mixed in there with everything. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook just a few more minutes. Now let me show you what I have in my pot. In my pot I have medium mild rotel, tomato sauce, and cheddar cheese soup. 1 can of each. We're going to set that to the back. Let our mushrooms get a little bit done, and then we're going to pour all this into our big pot and go on to our next step. Okay, so our vegetables are done, and we're going to put it in the big pot with the rest of the stuff. I'll be back with the next step. Okay, so our ground turkey has been cooking. We're going to add, I've already added one. This is our second packet of taco seasoning. Gonna get that incorporated in there, and then we're gonna put this in our big pot. And I'll give you the next steps once we put it in the big pot. Okay, so our meat is ready, so we're gonna add this meat into the big pot. And then we're also going to add in our kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. And everything's going to go in a big pot. Okay, so in our pot, remember we have 1 can of cheddar cheese soup, 1 can of rotel mild, 1 can tomato sauce. We've added our vegetables and our meat. So we're just going to stir that around to mix. And we're going to add in all of our beans. We like hearty food around here, so I did the 3 type of beans: pinto bean, kidney bean, and black bean. So then we're going to get that all incorporated, and then we are going to add 6 cups of chicken bouillon. So we're adding our chicken bouillon. Add that all in. It's on simmer, so we're going to be cooking it. Now we're going to add some fresh tomatoes, freshly chopped by me. We will let this cook a few minutes, and then we're going to add cheese in little by little. We don't want to have a whole lot because we put the cheddar cheese soup in. So we're going to add the cheese little by little. we'll be back. Okay, so I forgot to add my corn. So I put my corn in. We let it cook for a good 10 minutes. Everything is already ready. I'm gonna add my fresh cilantro. I'm gonna stir that in, and then I'm gonna add in some cheese. I did add in a little bit of cheese. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more Fiesta cheese blend. A couple of good handfuls. I did a couple already, so I say probably about 2 cups, and then we'll save that for our garnish. So stir that in, and then I'm ready to plate up, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we are done with our taco chili soup. I like mine with nacho. Our producer likes his with a hint of lime. And then also we have our kiwi citrus pink lemonade. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Give us a comment of whatever you might want us to do for the next time. Have a great day. Taco Tuesday. Bye-bye.